Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you this warm makeup look using the palette that I got from BOXYCHARM for the month of May. First, I will begin by moisturizing my skin using facial oils. Lately with this heat, my skin gets very dehydrated, so it is very important to treat it correctly. Right after that, I will be applying a pore primer just on my nose, and for the rest of my face I will be applying a replenishing primer from Too Faced. And to cover up those dark areas or to neutralize my skin, I will be applying a color correcting primer from NYX. And for that I will be using a brush and my fingers. Now going to the exciting part. The name of the palette is called Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, and that's the one I will be using today. But prior to that, I will be concealing my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape, and for that I'm using a small brush, and then I will use my fingers to blend it out like so. I'm gonna begin by using this color called Horizon. It is a beautiful orange shade, and I will be applying it with a blending brush all over the crease of the eye in circular motions. As I'm blending out the color, I will also be going back and forth to the palette, picking up some more color just to make sure that the intensity is there. And then I realized I didn't do my brows, so let me take a break here. I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in very quickly. And for that I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows super quick. And then I like to apply some of this gel to set them in place. Moving on with the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this shadow right here, and that is going to go right on the crease of the eye. If you notice, I'm using a smaller brush because I want the intensity to be on that crease. And then I go back to my blending brush to blend it out. With a smaller brush, I went ahead and pick up a brown shade, and I like to apply it on the inner and outer V of the eye. And then I will be working with a cut crease eye. I will be applying some of that Shape Tape concealer right in the middle of the eye, creating a cut crease, and then I will be using this beautiful golden shade right on top of that concealer. Now I do like to go back and forth with all the colors until everything is blended out smoothly. Then to clean out the edges, I go ahead and take a facial wipe and just wipe off the edge like so. Moving on to the face, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying some concealer first, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a damped beauty sponge, and then I will be applying my foundation. And for today I will be using the True Match foundation from L'Oreal, and I will be applying it with a brush like so. Right after that, I will also be sealing everything off with a loose powder. Going back to the eyes, I will be applying this beautiful black crayon pencil from ULTA. I am in love with this pencil. It is very easy to work with. And I'm gonna go back to the palette and just add more colors on that water lid. I will begin with the orange, and then the brown and the yellow. And remember, it's all about blending everything out. Now I will be working on a cat eye, and for that I will be using my e.l.f. eyeliner. Now I will prep my lashes for falsies. Today I will be using these ones. I believe I bought these ones at Jewelry Box. They were like $2.99 or so. And of course I had to try out the mascara that came in this box subscription. Today I will be doing a soft contouring, and for that I will be using this blush from MAC, and I like it because you can use it as a bronzer and it is very subtle, so it works exactly for what I want it for. And then I will be applying some blush. For the highlight, I will be using this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is called Aurora, and I will be applying it on my cheekbones, inner corner of the eye, nose bridge, and I will be lining my lips and getting all ready to go. And my friends, this is the makeup look. I hope that you like it, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adiós.